JK Lakshmi Cement Ltd, a cement manufacturer. The company was incorporated in 1982 and got public in 2006. They are based in New Delhi, with more than 1,400 employees and 2,200 workers. Company has 7 manufacturing plants located in Jhajjar, Sirohi, Kalol, Surat, Udaipur, Cuttack, and Durg, with production capacity of 16.5 million metric tons per annum. Company has allocated capex of Rs 250 crores for expansion of Surat plant, expected to be commissioned by March 2025, and capex of Rs 2,500 crores for expansion of Durg plant, expected to be commissioned by March 2027. The market cap of the company is 10,120 crore rupees, and currently trading at 860 rupees per share. The company has a 13% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 5% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. Company is part of JK organization, which has strong presence in diverse industry segments. Company manufactures cement, with production capacity of 16.5 million metric tons per annum, and clinker, with production capacity of 10 million metric tons per annum. Company markets and sells these products under its well-known brands. Company holds 75% stakes in Udaipur Cement Works, and recently acquired 85% stakes in Kolkata-based Agrani Cement. The company is showcasing strong and stable financial records and clocking good profits year on year. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see a good portion of foreign and domestic investments in the company. Some clients of the company are Tata Housing, Indian Oil, DLF, GMR, Reliance Industries, Airports Authority of India, GVK, Larsen & Toubro, Ambience Group, and more. When compared to peers, the company has a strong presence in the north, west, and eastern regions. Majority of the business originates from Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Madhya Pradesh, which constitutes about 50% of the total revenue. Company aims to reach a production capacity of 33.1 million metric tons per annum by fiscal year 2030. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.